If World War III started, not in 10 years, but tomorrow morning at 4:16 a.m., would you be awake in time to say goodbye? The first strike wouldn't start with a soldier pulling a trigger, but with a click. A cyber attack. At 4:16 a.m., satellite feeds go dark. Missiles don't launch yet, but banks freeze, air traffic control collapses, and every smart device becomes silent. No Wi-Fi. No phone signal. Just silence. Alliances collide. Within 6 hours, Russia mobilizes. China surrounds Taiwan. NATO triggers Article 5. India scrambles jets on 2 borders. North Korea launches a test, but no one knows if it's a bluff or the first bomb. And then, the first city vanishes. Tactical. Not global. But enough to wake up every leader. And terrify every human. Space and machines. This isn't like the wars you studied. This is war in the age of AI. Drones don't ask questions. AI decides who lives in 0.03 seconds. Satellites above Earth become the first casualties. GPS dies. Banking collapses. Your Uber app? Worthless. And in basements worldwide, hacker armies go to war. Not for countries. For chaos. Humanity fractures. Within 72 hours, fuel runs out. Supermarkets empty. Refugees flood borders. Cities burn from within, not just from bombs. But fear. Rich nations? Not safe. Poor nations? Forgotten. Nuclear bunkers light up. But 99.9% of us are out in the open. The unthinkable: one rogue submarine. One failed negotiation. One misread radar blip. And the final red button is pushed. Not for victory, but vengeance. A single missile reaches its target. And the world holds its breath. Life after collapse. World War III won't end with peace. It will end with silence. No more superpowers. No internet. No countries as we know them. Just pockets of survivors. Rebuilding in a radioactive world. But maybe that's what it takes for humans to realize what we destroyed. World War III won't be a story told by victors. It will be a warning. Left in the ashes. Do you think humanity would survive? Comment below. If World War III started tonight, what would you do in the last 10 minutes of peace?